Okay, so to do the blonde henna, step one is you make this chamomile and marigold tea, which looks a little bit like this. You can actually drink it, and I do because you don't really end up using the whole amount when you do the henna. Tastes like strong, bitter chamomile. So you make the tea, which comes in this packet. Then after the tea is made and it cools to room temperature, the next step is to take out the actual henna, and we're going to mix it with lemon juice. The packet comes with like twice as much, but I've already done the blonde henna before. Okay, that's a lot. That's probably going to be too much, but whatever. So next is going to be the lemon. So next you pour lemon juice inside of the henna. Probably little seeds are going to come out. And seeds are coming out. I don't think it's a big deal, whatever. This probably tastes pretty good. Okay, lemon juice. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of seeds in there. Hopefully that doesn't do anything. Okay. Hi, Gopi. More lemon juice in the henna. So I think the lemon juice will actually lighten your hair that's not being covered with the henna. Okay, I'm probably not really done squeezing, but it's getting kind of like a watery, slightly watery texture, I guess. That's what the mix looks like. So then you add the chamomile tea to it until it gets to the consistency of yogurt. I'm not very good at straining things, but that's okay. It's kind of a dirty process, but it's sort of fun too. It smells neat. It has like a really like bitter, like planty smell to it. Okay. So now we have a mix of chamomile tea, henna, marigold tea as well, and lemon juice. And what we're going to do now is mix it together until it's sort of yogurty in texture. And then we have to let it sit overnight, and then tomorrow I'm going to apply it to my head, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I mixed together the chamomile marigold tea with the blonde henna, and then there's lemon juice in there as well. And I mixed it with my hands until it got sort of like a yogurty texture. And this is sort of what it looks like. So the next step is to let this sit for overnight, and then tomorrow I'll put it on my hair and we'll see what it looks like. Hey, so I let the henna and the marigold and chamomile tea sit overnight in this sort of like yogurty mixture. I added a little bit of water to it this morning so that it will maybe be a little bit easier to apply to my hair. This is what it looks like now. So the next step is I have to apply some oil to my hairline and my ears to make sure that it doesn't stain my skin. And then after that, you apply the yogurty mixture to clean, dry hair. The reason I'm doing this is because to cover up like a little bit of gray roots, you can probably see here. We'll see if it works or not. It's not too bad, but it's kind of a fun thing to do, and it covers up your little bit of gray, so whatever. So one more step in this process I forgot to mention is you got to saran wrap your head so that it can kind of stay there and the mixture can stay warm. It feels neat. It smells like flowers. It's very, very interesting. So this is the final step, and then we'll let this sit here for probably 6 hours. Hopefully it doesn't get too annoying, and then after that we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so here's the result of the henna treatment that I did. It's been about a week and a half, and they say that it takes a few days for it to settle in, so it's been much longer than that. I don't know if it made a huge difference or not. You can kind of be your own judge. There still probably is like gray hair and stuff like that in there, but I don't really care. To be fair, to cover up the gray, you're supposed to use it like maybe 2 or 3 times, and I only did one treatment. So, um, anyway, this is what the henna treatment looks like after one session, and that's it.